Okay, so we are back in Pinehurst at, you guessed it, the South Pinehurst Cottages. I'm just being honest, y'all. I just really like these homes. So we're about to tour another floor plan. This is a ranch style home, so single story basically. And the details of the home, the type of floor plan and all of that, I'll put in the comment section. So if you have questions about that, just look in the comment sections. They'll all be there. Now, let's go through. Let's go walk through this home. So, welcome home. Okay, you walk in, and directly to your left is a bathroom, a full bath. There's also a bedroom here that'll be to the front side of the house, and then a hall closet here, so storage. You can never have too much storage. And then here will be a flex space, so office, then library, basically whatever you want to use it for. You could also use it as a dining room area if you want formal dining. If your family's the formal dining family, this would be a great area as well. Now, to the right, as you continue to walk in, is another hallway. And right at the front of that hallway is the garage, which we already saw from outside. Is a 2-car garage. There's a bedroom down here, decent size bedroom, more closets. There you go. Can never have too much closets in my opinion. And then you walk right into the kitchen. I'm gonna make sure I give you different angles off this kitchen so you get the gist of it. Now let's walk through the kitchen a little bit. So it's not your typical white cabinets, which I also like. You know, everybody has white cabinets. Why not be different? Hard surface countertops. I'm thinking it's quartz. I'll verify that in the comments as well. You have your microwave, your stove, and your dishwasher. There you go. And then, so the dining room is right off the kitchen, as you can see, or dining space, I should say. So not dining room, dining space. This one also has a covered patio area. Ooh, look at the yard. I should give you a glimpse of this yard because it's a nice size yard. It's a nice size yard. Another check for this house. All right, back inside we go. So dining room, kitchen. We walk right by the laundry room. It's a whole room, decent size. This would be the living room, entertainment area. So TV, couch, you know, the works. That would be what this room is. I would go couch to this wall, TV on that wall. You're connected to the kitchen, the dining area. So very great open floor plan, entertaining space, you know, be together in one central area type area. Using area a lot. Okay, this is the primary suite. So the bedroom right here. It is a decent sized bedroom. And then this is the bathroom. What I do like about this one is you have the sinks. They're separated. So hers, I'm just saying, let's just be real, it's the bigger one. So hers, his. Okay. I'm just making a suggestion. You're gonna take my word for it. I'm just saying. Decent sized closet. I'm all over the place. And then this is the shower, stand-up shower. So no tub. And then you can't forget the throne. I love a throne that's locked away. Like, yes, let's give it a door because why wouldn't it have a door? One more look at this bathroom. And that is basically it. Yep, that is it.